Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You thought I wasn't doing nothing for the Super Bowl? What's wrong with you? We in Tampa, Florida. So we got some wings we finna get with. We finna stuff some jalapenos, and we'll be right back after this. So we'll start with our stuffed jalapenos. Let's grab some of this cream cheese mixture. Put it in your pepper. Take your bacon. Wrap it around. Now that we're done stuffing our jalapenos, we're going to do our chicken wings. So we're going to go in the egg wash first. We're going to dip it in the flour. And I'm getting ready to put my stuffed peppers into the oven. So I got my oven preheating at 350, and that's what I'm actually going to put them in at. This is how you want your chicken, golden brown. You can eat them dry, or you can add your own sauce. You can add buffalo sauce, you can add barbecue sauce, or you can be like me and make your own sauce. That's how Big Daddy do it. All right, let's see how these peppers came out. Ooh, beast in it. And look, I want to thank you for watching Big Daddy's Cooking Show, and we have more shows coming soon. Thank you, beast in it.